So you know that dear in algebraic expression we have some things that we kept in our mind, just like we have variable. Variable means that unknown value, and second one is operator, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and third one is constant numbers. Okay, constant number means that which we have fixed numbers, just like 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now dear, the question arises that how we find the unknown value algebraically. So same right here, x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now we have two type of solution for this. First one is that we identify constant which is positive 4 and we move on other side of equality. Equality is a bridge barrier, okay? So here you seen it clearly. X is remain here. When we move this positive 4 from here to there, from left side to right side, that's become negative 4. Understand? You seen it clearly. X is equal to 6, negative 4, we get 2. This is one solution. Second solution is that we have x plus 4 and equal to 6. First of all, you write a line barrier here, just like this. And now this is positive 4, I want to make it 0, so that's why I subtract negative 4 from both sides. Understand?
Yeah.
From here you seen it clearly, this one we get 0, and 6 negative 4 we get 2. It means that x is here. X is equal to how much? Positive 2 again. So this is two type of solution to find the unknown value. Now if you want to verify your answer, that my answer is right or wrong, for verification, or you seen it clearly, this is x plus 4 is equal to 6. And you seen it clearly, the value of x we get 2. So instead of 2 I put 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Where 6 is equal to how much? 6. It means that our answer is right. Similarly, in this case, we have the same question, we write x plus 4 is equal to 6, where instead of x I put 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, where 2 plus 4 we get 6 is equal to 6. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that our answer is right. Understand?
Yeah.
Again I gave you overview, just follow teacher icon. In previous class we are make practice on what is algebraic expression and how we identify variable and constant, and what is the difference between variable and constant. You know that variable is unknown value or changeable value which we use in expression for undefined value. So here you seen it clearly. The constant means that the fixed number, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And after that you seen it clearly, dear. Here we have one algebraic expression, just like x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now we verify that how we show that the x is equal to 2, either what is the value of variable. So we just move the constant on other side, which is positive 4. The rule is that when you change any number from left hand side to right hand side, it will change its sign. Just like positive 4 switch into negative 4, understand? And similarly, here you seen it clearly, the second method is that here we have positive 4, we subtract from 4 from here to get 0. And similarly, we subtract the same number from right hand side. And here you seen it clearly, we get again 2. So you have any question about this? Muhammad, are you hear me?
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay.